Go run, not the shoes.
I'm going to fall on him.
Run faster then. Trick him, change the route.